Welcome guys to Go Swing channel. Okay, so my channel's focus is mainly on swing trading, and I do swing trading on stocks, and from coming month I will start swing trading on Bank Nifty. Okay, you guys can follow me. So in this video so I will discuss my October month profit and loss statement, and these are mainly equity trades. Okay, so let me show you how I performed in October. Okay, so October 1 to October 31st. Okay, so you can see that I made my profit was around 33,000 and net realized profit was 28,000. Okay, and this unrealized PNL is because of, you guys can guess, it's because of Yes Bank. So the blunder I made in Yes Bank, because of that I am having loss of around 91,000. So I hope you guys didn't make blunder as I made in Yes Bank. Okay, so now coming back to, I want to show you guys few things, that number of total profits. So I'll count on number of profits and I'll count number of losses, then I will share with you guys the ratio. Okay, so profit to loss ratio, I mean number of trades which turned profitable and number of trades which turned into loss. Okay, so okay, so first, so there are 3 pages. Okay, so let us count the first page. So I made loss here, 1 loss, 2 loss, I am not counting this one. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, 11 losses, and profits is 1 2 3 4, not counting this, 5 6. Okay, so 6 profits, 11 losses. Okay, keep that in mind. Then this is the second page, 1 2 3 4 5, not counting this, 6 7 8, not counting this, 9 10 11 12. Okay, 12 losses. Okay, so total 11 plus 12, that is 23 losses till now, and profit is 1 2, not counting this, 3, not counting this, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 profits here and 6 profits were in the first page, so total 11 profits and 23 losses. Okay, now coming to third page, not counting Yes Bank. Okay, and not counting this Tri Turbine. Okay, so last page there are 2 profits. Okay, so total then I have 13 profits, 23 losses. Okay, 13 plus 23, that is 36. Okay, now 13 divided by 36, that is 36%. Okay, so the ratio is 36, I mean number of profitable trades to number of losing trades. So number of profitable trades divided by total number of trades, that is basically 36%. So my 36% trades are profitable. Okay, but still I am having net profit of around 30,000. Why is that? That is because of risk to reward ratio. My risk to reward ratio are quite high, around 3:1. So risk is around 3, then risk is 1, then reward is around 3 4 5. Okay, so I will discuss with you guys about regarding the trades later. In this video I am just showing my PNL. Okay, the trades, the how I took the trades and how I made the profit, when did I enter, what was my strategy, and what was the risk management. I will clear those things in coming videos. Okay, so now if you see, if I just check from 1 October to 24th October, so you can see that, okay, so this is 24 October to 31st October. If you see 1 October to 24 October, so you can see that I made profit of around 41,000. Okay, around 41,000 I made profit. And if you check from 24 October or 25 Monday to 25 October to 31st October, so I made loss of around 9,000. Okay, So basically in the last week I made some blunder. Okay, you can see Nifty chart that Nifty fell heavily. Here you can see that Nifty fell heavily during these days. So what happened? Uh, what happened basically in this day, I think in 19th October, I cleared all my trades. Okay, I cleared all my trades. Then I didn't enter in 20, 21, 22 till 22. I didn't take any trade. Okay, so 19th I cleared all my trades. Okay, then I waited and I think around 26 I entered, I mean not in whole, I halved my capital and entered, but last 3 days, I mean I lost around 9 to 10,000. Okay, so that's why the profit got reduced to around 26-28,000. Okay, so now we can understand that if we don't manage risk properly, I mean within 3-4 days our profits will be gone. Okay, so I will discuss about the risk management and other things later. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. I will share with you guys my swing trading strategy in these stocks and bank nifty both. Okay, in my coming videos. Thank you.